In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Convertkit subscription quickly and efficiently. So, if you're looking to wrap things up with Convertkit and move on, you've landed in just the right spot. Let's dive in and get this done in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Convertkit website. Now, I know this might seem pretty basic, but it's always good to start from the beginning to ensure you don't hit any snags along the way. Once you're on the website, the next step is to either log in or register, depending on your current status. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. If by any chance you have yet to create an account, you might need to sign up briefly. But typically, if you're canceling, you'd already be a registered user. Now, once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture situated there, so go ahead and give it a click. By doing this, you'll access a drop-down menu that will help you navigate further. From this menu, you're going to want to select Settings. And within the Settings section, locate and choose Billing. This is a crucial part of the process where you'll be able to manage your financial details and ultimately cancel your subscription. When you've clicked on Billing, you will see prompts that will guide you through the cancellation process. These prompts are designed to ensure that everything runs smoothly, so be sure to follow them closely. Depending on your current subscription status, particularly if you're on a paid plan, you might need to confirm your decision to cancel by providing a reason. It's fairly standard for companies to ask you why you're canceling, merely for feedback purposes. Once you've completed all the necessary steps, expect to receive a confirmation email. This email is vital because it will serve as a record that your cancellation request has been processed. Make sure to check your email inbox and possibly your spam or junk folders, just in case the confirmation ends up there. Finally, if your ultimate goal is to completely close your account with Convertkit, look for the option to Delete My Kit Account. Clicking this will completely terminate your service with them and ensure no residual data remains. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to canceling your Convertkit subscription. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you managed to navigate without a hitch. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to explore our channel for more guides and tips. Have a great day.